That's a really good question. I'm going to defer this a little bit here, and I'm going to refer you all to David McKenzie, who is a lawyer in North Carolina. If you've listened to the Ovius and Giglio podcast, you've heard him on. He is fantastic. Okay. He deals with this kind of stuff all the time. Apparently, and I've talked to another North Carolina attorney friend of mine, he has told me this could be a real issue, okay, coming up for Miami and potentially Mensah as well, although we'll have to see. But essentially, there is a provision under North Carolina law. I'm trying to pull up the name of it that Duke could use against Miami that potentially could allow Duke to get a whole lot of money from Miami over this. Okay, what? Oh yeah, here it is. It's the North Carolina Unfair and Deceptive Trade Practices Act, which has an escalating damages provision. Apparently, it can triple the damages. Now, how you prove that? Little difficult here. I think Duke would probably put some evidence about what they weren't able to do, what they get, and the money apparently, and this is kind of all going to come out at some point, but money that went to Mensah that could have otherwise been used on defensive players last year, maybe keep Queso Brown. And of course, now you're going to lose Cooper Barkate too, which is a huge loss. I think he's gone. So the way that the case against Miami will come out, because Duke sidestepped all that in the complaint filed against Mensah, which was smart. There's going to be some discovery in that arbitration proceeding because they've said, hey, Mensah's breaching his contract. We need documents, emails, what have you, from Mensah, text messages, phone access to some extent, whatever, of his phone, his emails, texts, to show who he was communicating with. These details got out. And apparently got to Miami if this reporting is accurate, right?
Right.
So there could be a case against Miami under North Carolina state law, the specifics of which I'm going to punt, okay, because I'm not licensed there and I don't do that type of work. But if McKenzie's right and if my other colleague is correct in what he said, yeah, there could be a serious action against Miami.